Welcome back, Profitify fam. Today we're diving into a hot topic that's been on everyone's minds. Which is the best platform for online earning? Stay tuned because we've got some eye-opening insights coming your way. Picture this, you sitting at home earning money with just a few clicks. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, buckle up because today we're going to uncover the truth behind the top online earning platforms. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our juicy content. All right, let's cut to the chase. When it comes to online earning, there's no shortage of platforms promising big bucks. But which one is truly the best? Let's break it down. First up, we have freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. These platforms connect freelancers with clients looking for services like graphic design, writing, programming, and more. The beauty of freelancing? You have the flexibility to choose your projects and set your rates. However, competition can be fierce, and building a solid reputation takes time. Next, we have e-commerce giants like Amazon, eBay, and Shopify. Selling products online has never been easier thanks to these platforms. Whether you're dropshipping, creating your own products, or flipping items, there's money to be made. But beware of saturated markets and ever-changing algorithms. Now let's talk about content creation platforms such as YouTube, Twitch, and TikTok. If you have a knack for creating engaging content, these platforms offer endless opportunities for monetization through ads, sponsorships, and donations. Plus, you get to showcase your creativity to the world. For the risk takers out there, stock trading platforms like Robinhood and E*Trade offer the potential for substantial returns. But let's be real, this isn't for the faint of heart. It requires research, patience, and a stomach for volatility. Proceed with caution. Last but not least, we have online course platforms like Udemy and coaching platforms like Coach.me. If you're an expert in a particular field, why not share your knowledge and mentor others? Creating and selling online courses or coaching services can be incredibly lucrative and fulfilling. So, which platform is the best for online earning? The truth is, it depends on your skills, interests, and goals. Whether you're freelancing, selling products, creating content, trading stocks, or teaching others, there's a platform out there for you. The key is to stay informed, stay motivated, and, most importantly, take action. Remember, the only limit to your earning potential is your imagination. Until next time, stay profitable. That's a wrap for today's episode, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and share it with your friends. And as always, keep hustling, keep learning, and keep profiting. See you in the next one.